Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech. So in this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to add Trendline in Excel. How you can add Trendline in your bar or graphs. Okay, so in order to add or insert Trendline in chart bar, so here I am going to show you in how you can do this. So without time wasting, let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comments below. So guys, let's start with the video. So here I have the sample data like monthly sales, January, February, March, and sale. So first you need the graphs or charts. So how you can add graphs or chart in the Excel? You can find our previous video, or you can find link in my description. So here I quick show you how to add the bar. So click the data which you want to in bar, and now go to insert, and here you can select the bar and click on bar. So here you can see the bar. So after selection bar, how to add train line in the bar? Okay, in when you add the train line in the bar, it show very clean, and it is very easy to learn, or it is very present to the people. So let's start with the video. So in order to add the train, just click within the bar and click on this add button, and you can see the train line here. Click on the train line, the train line will be automatically add here. Okay, so you can change the like format of train line, like expandation, liner format, and more option. Okay, so here you can add the train line. If you want to change color, train line colors, or if you want to change more in the train line, just click on train line and click format train line, and here you can see the colors. If you want change color, you can change color from here, like red one. Okay, like transparency, you want to change transparency of train line, you can change. If you change width, component type, okay, you can change component type and all everything. Dash type, if you want dash like this, you can change. Okay, component, there is a many setting you can do, being arrows, like you like arrows you can do. Okay, top to you need arrows from into start or start to, and you can do this. Okay, in order, so here in this option, like trending option, you can change trending option, like you can change like this exponential, liner, logarithmic, polynomial, polynomial, power. Okay, you can change anything. So after change, just click into here, and you find the train line has been created and all format has been applied here. So in order to, now if you want to change or clear delete the train line, just click on the train line and click this plus, and here you can see you can untick it, the train line will be deleted. So that is how you can insert train line in your Excel or chart or graphs. So I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.